Dear students, today our topic is operator. The fourth one operator is unary operator. Unary operator acts on a single operand. C language supports three unary operators. There are unary minus, increment and decrement. Unary minus. Unary minus operand negates the value of its operand. Here a integer a comma b is equal to 10 and a is equal to minus b, then a is equal to minus 10. Increment operator and decrement operator. Increment operator is a unary operator that increases the value of its operand by 1. Similarly, the decrement operator decreases the value of its operand by 1. Here x plus plus means x is equal to x plus 1. The increment oblique decrement operator have two types, prefix and postfix. In prefix of expression plus plus x or minus minus x, the operator is applied before the operand, while in the postfix expression x plus plus or x minus minus, the operator is applied after the operand. The unary increment and decrement operators, that plus plus x is not same as x plus plus. Similarly, minus minus x is not the same as x minus minus. Although x plus plus and plus plus x both increment the value of x by 1. In prefix, the value of x is returned before it is incremented, whereas in the postfix, the value of x is returned after it is incremented. Here integer x is equal to 10 comma y semicolon y is equal to x plus plus is equivalent to writing first y is equal to x, then it incrementation in x is equal to x plus 1, where y is equal to plus plus x is equivalent to writing x is equal to x plus 1, then y is equal to x. Here x is incremented after the calculation of y, but in here first of all x will be incremented, then y is assigned to x. The same principle is applied to unary decrement operator. Note that unary operator have a higher precedency than the binary operator, and if an expression we have more than one unary operator, then they are evaluated from right to left. The fifth one is conditional operator. Conditional operator make the program code more compact, more readable and safer to use, as it is easier to both check the guarantee arguments that are used for evaluation. Conditional operator is also known as ternary operator, as it is takes three operands the syntax of the conditional operator is condition, note of integration, expression 1 and expression 2. Example Gracia, large is equal to A is greater than B, note of integration A colon B. Means if A is greater than B, then large is equal to, if A is greater than B, large is equal to A, else large is equal to B. This is the ternary operator. It works as like as if and else statement. The sixth one is bitwise operator. The bitwise operators perform operation at the bit level. These operators include bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR and shift operator. Bitwise AND operator. It likes Boolean AND, means double ampersand sign. Bitwise AND operator is only single ampersand sign perform operation on a bit instead of byte, character, integer, etc. Here 10, for example, 10, 10, 10 and 10. This is the bitwise AND operator, and here 01, 01, 01, 01. When we ANDing this and this, the result will be 00, 00, 00 and 00. Bitwise OR operator. It likes Boolean OR double pipeline. The bitwise OR is only single pipeline perform operation on bit instead of byte. Here the example Gracia is 10, 10, 10, 10. Single pipeline are used in bitwise OR operator 01, 01, 01, 01. Here 11, 11, 11, 11 are the result. Bitwise XOR. When we use the bitwise XOR operators, the bit in the first operand is XOR within the corresponding bit of the second. Here the truth table is A, B, X or B. Here 00 is 0, 01 is 1, 10 is 1 and 11 is also 0. The example Gracia of the XOR is here 10, 10, 10, 10 and here XOR sign 01, 01, 01, 01. Here 11, 11, 11, 11 is the result. Because 0, 0 is 0, 01 is 1, 10 is 1, 11 is 0. Here the first bit is 1 and second bit is 0. So 0, 1 and 0 is 1. So all of them are 1. Then bitwise NOT. Sign is tilde. The bitwise NOT or complement is a unary operator that performs logical negation on each bit of the operand. Here tilde 10101010. Not is only work on single operand. 01010101. 1 is converted into 0 and 0 is converted into 1. Then the result is 01010101. Shift operator. C language support bitwise shift operator. They are shift left. Here, this is the sign of left shift, and shift right. This is the sign of shift right. Colon operand OP number, where the bit in the operand are shifted left to right depending on the operator. Left if the operator is left shifted, and right if the operator is right shifted, by the number of place denoted by the number. Here, example Gracia. Here x is equal to 00011101. Then the first is, then x is left shifted, produce. Here with the shifted number is only this number, because we shift 1 on left side. Then x is left shifted to 3. The result is, here the number is started from this to this and added 000. Here also added 0. When we applied right shift, every bit in x shifted to the right by 1 place. X right shifted to 1 gives result right. X is right shifted. Then the result is 000110. 110. We write only this and add here 0. X right shifted to 4 give result 0000 and 0001. We can only write this and start from this side 0000, then 001. Number 7. Assignment operator. Assignment operator. In C language, the assignment operator is responsible for assigning value to the variable, while the equal sign in the fundamental assignment operator. It also supports other assignment operator that provide shorthand way to represent common variable assignment. Here, example Gracia, integer x is equal to 10, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 10. Means a is equal to 10, also b is equal to 10, c is equal to 10. It is a shorthand assignment operator. Here, a is equal to, b is equal to, and c is equal to 10. Here is also a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to 10. Comma operator. Comma operator, which is also called the sequential evaluation operator, takes two operand. It works by evaluating the first expression and discarding its value, and then evaluates the second expression. Comma separated expression, when chained together, are evaluated in left to right sequence with the rightmost value, yielding the result of the expression. Here, in example Gracia, int a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and x is equal to 0. Here, this is the comma operator, this is the comma operator. Here also x is equal to plus plus a comma b plus is equal to a. The last one is size of operator. Size of is a unary operator used to calculate the size of data type. This operator can be applied to all data types. When using this operator, the keyword size of is followed by a type name, comma, variable or expression. The operator returns the size of the data types, variable or expression in bytes. That is, the size of operator is used to determine the amount of variable expression will take. Here, integer a is equal to 10. Integer is 2 bytes. Unsigned integer result. We will use result in unsigned integer. Result is equal to size of a. The size of a is 2 byte and result is equal to 2. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो उसको लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलें, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।